Finding the right bikini trimmer can make personal grooming much easier, especially if you want something gentle, easy to clean, and comfortable enough for regular use. Some models keep things simple with a compact 2-in-1 design, while others include multiple attachments for body grooming, facial touch-ups, and travel. Today, we're looking at 7 of the best bikini trimmers for women using the product order from the list. Each one brings a slightly different mix of convenience, waterproof use, battery life, and skin-friendly trimming. So let's get into the countdown. Starting at number 7, we have the Ufree Bikini Trimmer Electric Razor for Women, a rechargeable grooming kit designed for bikini care, body trimming, and facial touch-ups. That makes it a practical all-in-one option if you want one device for several grooming needs instead of keeping separate tools around. One of its key features is the ceramic blade design, which is made for gentle trimming while helping reduce pulling and irritation. That can be especially useful around sensitive areas like the bikini line and underarms. It also has an IPX7 waterproof protection, so it can be used in the shower and rinsed clean afterward. The lightweight body and travel lock add to its convenience, especially if you want something easy to pack for trips. Overall, the Ufree trimmer is a good fit for women who want a versatile grooming kit for the bikini area, legs, underarms, face, and general body grooming. Next up is the Vnina 5-in-1 Bikini Trimmer, a cordless electric shaver made for women who want more grooming options in one compact device. This model includes 5 interchangeable heads, covering body shaving, facial shaving, nose hair trimming, eyebrow grooming, and bikini trimming. Because of that, it works as more than just a bikini trimmer. It is built for users who want one tool for multiple areas, including the arms, legs, face, and bikini line. The hypoallergenic blade design is intended to support smoother grooming with less pulling, cutting, or discomfort. For sensitive skin, that kind of detail can make a noticeable difference during routine trimming. It also offers up to 90 minutes of cordless use after a 1.5-hour charge, which is convenient for both home use and travel. The LCD display is a useful touch because it lets you keep an eye on battery life before the trimmer runs out. With IPX7 waterproof protection, detachable heads, and wet or dry use, the Vnina trimmer is a strong choice for anyone who wants a multi-purpose grooming kit with practical battery tracking. At number 5, we have the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit, a compact grooming set from a well-known personal care brand. This kit is designed for quick touch-ups, bikini line shaping, and comfortable body grooming. It includes a bikini trimmer, an adjustable length guide, an angled foil shaver, and a rotating exfoliator, giving you different tools for different parts of your routine. The angled foil shaver is made to provide a closer finish while helping reduce irritation. The exfoliator is another useful addition because it helps prepare the skin and may support a smoother grooming experience, especially for anyone concerned about ingrown hairs or razor burn. This model is cordless and runs on one AA battery, which is included. It also has a wet and dry design, so you can trim in or out of the shower depending on what feels most comfortable.
Next, we have the Flyant 2-in-1 Bikini Trimmer for Women, a straightforward electric shaver designed for full body grooming. This trimmer focuses on convenience with a 2-in-1 setup that can be used for areas like the bikini line, legs, arms, underarms, and face. It is designed for users who want a simple grooming tool rather than a larger kit with several attachments. The product is listed with IPX7 waterproof protection, which makes it easier to use in wet or dry conditions and simple to clean after grooming. It also includes an LED feature, which can help improve visibility while trimming areas that need more care and control. Because this model is described as comfortable and suitable for full-body use, it is best for someone who wants an easy, everyday option for basic grooming and touch-ups. The Flyant trimmer keeps the focus on practicality. It's a good match for users who want a no-fuss bikini razor that can also handle general body hair maintenance.
At number 3, we have the KAPHIO Dual Head Bikini Trimmer for Women, a waterproof electric shaver made for sensitive area grooming and full body use. This model uses a dual head design, combining a ceramic trimming head for larger areas with a rotary shaving head for a smoother finish. That setup gives you more flexibility when switching between trimming the bikini line, grooming underarms, or shaving arms and legs. KAPHIO highlights its skin-gentle design, which is intended to help prevent nicks, cuts, and uncomfortable pulling. For bikini grooming, that's especially important because comfort and control matter just as much as the final result. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows for wet or dry use, so it can be used in the shower or bath and rinsed clean afterward. It's also USB rechargeable, which makes it convenient for regular use without relying on disposable batteries. This is a solid option for women who want a compact, rechargeable bikini trimmer with 2 shaving functions, waterproof convenience, and a design focused on gentle grooming. Coming in at number 2, we have the NIPOO Dual Head Face Shaver and Body Hair Trimmer, a light purple electric razor designed for both trimming and smoother finishing. This model uses a 2-in-1 design with a serrated cutter head for quickly trimming larger areas and a double ring round cutter head for a smoother shave. The benefit is that you can handle different grooming needs without constantly swapping attachments. It is built with IPX7 waterproof protection, so it can be used while showering and rinsed directly under the tap after use. The listing notes that the body can be rinsed for quick cleanup, which is helpful if you prefer a low-maintenance grooming routine. Battery life is another practical strength. The trimmer uses USB-C charging and offers up to 90 minutes of cordless use after about 1.5 hours of charging. That makes it useful for travel, business trips, or keeping in a small bag for quick touch-ups. The protection system includes a gentle blade head, fine blade net, floating blade head, smooth blade mesh, and protective comb design. For users with sensitive skin, those details are meant to reduce scratches, irritation, and hair pulling. And at number 1, we have the AIBRIT Pro Electric Bikini Trimmer for Women, a portable 2-in-1 grooming kit designed for painless hair removal and full-body use. This trimmer comes with 2 detachable trimmer heads and 3 guard combs. The detail trimmer head is useful for shaping the bikini line and handling touch-ups, while the wider shaving function can be used on areas like the face, arms, legs, body, underarms, and bikini area. The IPX7 waterproof design supports both wet and dry use, and cleaning is simple with the included brush or by rinsing the trimmer under running water. That makes it practical for users who want easy maintenance after each grooming session. It's USB rechargeable and provides up to 60 minutes of cordless use after a full charge. The lightweight body also makes it convenient for travel or regular at-home grooming. The hypoallergenic stainless steel blades and protective net are designed to glide gently along body contours, helping reduce irritation concerns around sensitive areas.
The IPX7 waterproof design supports both wet and dry use, and cleaning is simple with the included brush or by rinsing the trimmer under running water. That makes it practical for users who want easy maintenance after each grooming session. It is USB rechargeable and provides up to 60 minutes of cordless use after a full charge. The lightweight body also makes it convenient for travel or regular at-home grooming. The hypoallergenic stainless steel blades and protective net are designed to glide gently along body contours, helping reduce irritation concerns around sensitive areas. The AIBRIT Pro is best for women who want a portable, rechargeable bikini trimmer with detachable heads, guard combs, wet or dry use, and a gentle design for sensitive skin. So that wraps up our look at 7 of the best bikini trimmers for women. Whether you prefer a simple 2-in-1 razor, a full grooming kit, or a waterproof rechargeable model for shower use, there is an option here for different routines and comfort needs. Which one would you choose for your grooming routine? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you compare your options,